Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? That looks so good. This is closed loop cooling. Very similar to the one I have, my current system, but it's not the same brand. But I like the style a lot. I definitely would continue with this style. RGB lighting, that's the first feature that they like to show you about this one. Let's get in. Let's get in on that RGB lighting. New blade design. So the blade design is very, very interesting. So here's a couple different looks. You can obviously change the color of these. And here's everything kind of taken apart. So you attach for builders who have never done this before. These fans attach to the top here, and technically you could like change those, but these will come with really, really nice fans that have the RGB, the LED stuff is built into the fans here, not the heat sink. And let's see, these screws are for the fans. Comes with the thermal paste as well for your CPU. That can be one of the most nerve-wracking parts about building, is doing that part where you're putting the paste on the CPU, putting the cooler on and sticking the cooler on, and then attaching it and bolting it down. Outside of actually putting the CPU in, that can be one of the more nerve-wracking parts that builders maybe get a little bit kind of nervous about. It does have its own RBG controller. It supports a wide array. It's going to support our AM4, so we made sure we got compatibility here. Very solid brand. You know, this is where they got their name. They built their name off of cooling CPUs. They also make really, really great PC cases.